What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Airborne in the house, dropping you guys the latest and greatest cryptocurrency news and updates. Today's December 15th, 2021, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking briefly about the Fed meeting they had. So they had the Fed meeting today, and price action went from about 46,000 to near 50K. Spiked up, just like I mentioned yesterday it probably would. So stick around, guys. I'll tell you all about it. All right, guys, hopefully you're having a great day today. I sure am. Just jump right into today's video, doing a market overview. Again, check the pinned comment section for timestamps if you guys do want to skip ahead straight to the articles. But yeah, man, look at the market. Market is down 100%. Bitcoin is going to zero, guys. It reminds me of that Dan Pena clip, this one right here.
Bitcoin will go to fucking zero.
Yeah, Bitcoin is going to effing zero. But yeah, it looks like CoinBase is glitched still a little bit. Just that part, I think. Market's down 100%, definitely isn't. But I do believe their prices are accurate. I did double check. But yeah, Bitcoin, it's doing pretty good right now. We're at about 48,779. Currently up 1.32%. Ethereum is up 4.23%, sitting at about 4,000. We got Solana's up 10%, sitting at $177, and Cardano's up 3.56%, sitting at about $1.30. All right, top gainers last 24 hours. We got Spell Token up about 26%, sitting at a little over a penny. We got the Origin Trail up 17%, sitting at $1.28, and Elrond up 16.43%, sitting at $297. Ooh, I like that. Voyager token, new listing. I like seeing that front and center on Coinbase prices. It's good to see. Jumping over to losers last 24 hours. We got Dogecoin down 5.55%, sitting at 18 cents. You guys, if you didn't hear, apparently Tesla's going to be accepting Dogecoin for their merchandise. Talked about that a little bit yesterday on my video. Bounce tokens down about 2.24%, sitting at $23.58. And Fourth, down 1.9%, sitting at $9.82. Today is December 15th, 2021. And the United States Bill of Rights became a law today. Also, the third reactor at Chernobyl nuclear power plant went down. Some famous birthdays. We have Adam Brody, Charlie Cox, Kaylor Navis. Also, it's National Cupcake Day, the Bill of Rights Day, International Tea Day, Lemon Cupcake Day, National Cat Herders Day, and National Wear Your Pearls Day. So you're having for your December 15th holidays. Let's jump on over to Crypto Bubbles, top 100 coins. Everything's looking good. Obviously, the market's up after the Fed news today, which is good to see. AVAX, is that accurate? $101? See, I don't know if the data is still accurate, guys. Could be. I didn't... AVAX, $101. I thought it was a lot cheaper than that. Could be totally wrong. Let's just check CoinGecko real quick. I'm just curious about AVAX. Said it was $101. Wow, it is up 15%. Surprised me. But yeah, AVAX is killing it right now. That's good to see. Yeah, everything's green right now. Let's check out my favorites. So favorites... yeah, AVAX up, Solana's up 178 bucks. We got Helium's up. We got Mana's up, VGX $3.37. StormX is up. That's good to see. And again, guys, if you're interested in checking this website out, it's cryptobubbles.net. You can mess with all the bubble information and whatnot. So within the bubble content, I have price. I usually have performance in there. That's why it kind of threw me off there. But just check this out. It's a pretty cool website. All right, total crypto market cap is at about 2.23 trillion. Obviously, we jumped back up since the dip we've had the last couple of days, so that's good to see. Jumping on over to the crypto, or the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. Currently, we're at a 28. Yesterday, we were at Extreme Fear 21. Last week, we were at a 28. Updates in about 12 minutes from now. I'm curious to see what it'll be. I think we might be at like a 30-ish or so, still be in fear, so... I like looking at this as an indicator when to get in the market, not financial advice. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. So there you have it for the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. And jumping over to the price today, into the main topic of discussion, we'll be talking about it real briefly. So they had the meeting, I think, around 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Looks like the pump started happening at around 11 a.m. Eastern Standard. And then, let's see, 2:30-ish that time. Obviously, we just started to pump. Now we're retracing a little bit, so it's good to see. But yeah, we're going to jump into our news article for today. Bitcoin rallies above 49K following the Fed FOMC announcement of rate hikes in 2022. So the Bitcoin action received a welcome boost to 49,000 shortly after the Fed confirms rate hikes and a reduction of its bond purchasing policy in 2022. So Bitcoin climbed $2,000 today as markets quickly reacted to news that the United States Federal Reserve would raise interest rates and curtail its bond buying program starting in 2022. So some of the data from Cointelegraph and TradingView showed that Bitcoin USD hitting 49,310 on Bitstamp, the highest since December 12th, when the price briefly popped above the 50K mark. So all this obviously came when the Fed hinted that it could raise its benchmark rate 3 times next year, surpassing investor expectations. It would also increase the pace of its asset purchasing taper, the central bank said. So I thought that was pretty interesting. And then it talks about, Ethereum's up over 4,000 with the announcement of the news and the meeting today. So just a quick article for you guys about, what happened. I didn't watch the whole thing. It was just, I couldn't listen to it, man. I just can't listen to any of that stuff. I try not to, but, it all kind of intertwines with crypto and, regulations and whatnot. So hopefully I brought you guys, some decent content right there. All right, next quick article. Analysts expect Bitcoin trend change after Fed lays out its 2022 roadmap. At the moment, most analysts view the current price range as an optimal accumulation zone. So the FOMC meeting today, obviously it just said the confirmation of the Federal Reserve would enact 3 rate hikes and gradual tapering into 2022 appears to have been priced into last week's market validity. So that's what some people were saying, that this is already all priced in. It was going to be not buy the rumor, sell the news, but buy the news, sell the rumor. I think I said that right, type of thing. Data from Cointelegraph, 47,000 support. After Chairman Powell's statement, the price rose 0.55% to 49K. So here's a look at what market analysts expect Bitcoin price now that the Fed's policy intentions for 2022 were clarified. So it looks like there's a solid support base at 46,500. You guys can check out the chart right here. Again, I'm not any technical expert by any means. Go check out Six Fig Stock Trader. One of my good buddies does awesome technical analysis. Should be on my show or my channel tomorrow night. Back to the old days that we used to, go back and forth and whatnot. But I think we skipped last week. But anyway, Six Fig will be on. Go check them out. Technical analysis. So according to Wick, the recent price action from Bitcoin has established a solid base support, which is represented by the line here at 46,588, which is structurally called stage 1 base. So their analyst said that we can expect volatility to build up as well. The next setup I am targeting is an oncoming squeeze. This may not turn out just like July did after we based in stage 1 support. Next stage is fire. So volatility is par for the course compared to historical price action after all-time highs. The current volatility seen in the market is nothing to fret about. Again, guys, if you guys are new to crypto, this is probably a crazy dip for you. But if you are been in the market, for a couple years or for a while, these crazy swings are just something normal. So Rect Capital put out a tweet. The panic and bearish sentiment towards Bitcoin is extreme right now. There's nothing extreme about the 38% retrace over the years. Like I said, 30-40% swings in bull markets are, pretty common. In fact, Bitcoin retraced 53% in May, so 38% isn't extreme. But that's a little bit for the price action. I do want to talk about some of the indicators that I did real quick to look into Bitcoin.com. There's Bitcoin charts. There's a bunch of charts that are basically showing that we're not at the bottom right now. We're not peaking out according to the data from these charts. So could it be inaccurate? Could this, all be debunked with what's going on and everything? Could be, but usually history repeats itself. And I did do a couple videos on, the Puell multiple, the Pi cycle top, stock to flow model, there's golden ratio multiplier. There's a bunch of them on here you guys can check out or look at some of my previous videos where I go into more in depth. But this, analyzes Bitcoin and the historical trends, and then you can make an educated decision yourself financially what you want to do. So go check that out. And then next, tweet from TechDev earlier today. He said that about the fib lines, his highest probability is a macro roadmap until it deviates, which it has yet to do. So the different fib levels, we got the 1.272, the 1472, the 1618, and the 2.72. So when you look at the last two cycles, so cycle 1, we peaked out on the 2.272 fib line. Same thing again, we peaked out in the 2017 bull run when we peaked out to 272 here. And then it has a different fib line. The 1618 was right here. So what he's saying now, we're in cycle 3, the halving. What we're currently at right now is we're at the 1.618 fib line, where we still have room to peak out this bull run all the way to the 2.272. So check that out. That's like around a $200,000 Bitcoin. Just kind of makes you think, you know, another tool. This is just data and charts, and, you know, doesn't really take into account all the things that are going on in the world and whatnot, but just another thing of hopium for you guys. And I've been talking about it in the last couple videos that I put out, that I don't think this is the top. I still think we have a lot to go. A lot of people are saying, you know, January and February, there's still, you know, that time where we potentially would peak out. But again, it's kind of like a group mindset type of thing, if you think about it, where everyone thought we were going to peak out this December. Did it happen? No. So it's usually kind of the opposite. If everyone's saying it's going to happen, it's probably not going to happen. Something's going to happen when we least expect it, type of thing. So just always be prepared, guys. Do your own research. Don't listen to me. I'm just some dude on the internet that likes to talk crypto, but I like to help you guys out along the way, or at least help you try to make an educated decision in your financial needs and investments. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for you. Again, go follow me on Twitter at crypto_airborne. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you aren't subscribed to my YouTube channel, and turn on bell notifications. Would really appreciate it. So yeah, hopefully you guys have a great night. Go check out VGX Heroes Twitter Spaces tonight. I'm going to do the recording if you guys missed that. It'll be on my channel later tonight. But if you are live, go check it out on Twitter at the VGX Heroes you know, main Twitter page. You can listen in on there. We might be having the Coin Ledger CEO or some representative there to talk about crypto taxes. So it's coming up to the end of the year. Don't forget about that. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. Have a great night. Crypto Airborne out.